इतने सारे MBA एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स हैं दैट वी एक्चुअली गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि कौन से एग्जाम्स हम दें. फ्रॉम कैट टू GMAT, स्नैप टू NMAT, CMAT टू ZAT, इतना सारा कुछ है, इतने ऑप्शंस हैं कि समझ नहीं आता स्टार्ट कहाँ से करें. But don't worry. Welcome back to iQuanta's YouTube channel, and in this video we'll actually talk about everything related to these exams, exam deadlines, fees, difficulty level, strategies. हम हर चीज़ की बात करेंगे and it will actually help you to decide कि आपको कौन से exams देने हैं. Let's start with big खिलाड़ीज. CAT, conducted by IIM and the most prestigious one. NMAT, Nasim Monji के लिए and for other private B schools. SNAP for Symbiosis colleges, ZAT for XLRI and more colleges, CMAT for AICTE approved colleges, GMAT is a global exam which is also accepted by India. Now each of these exams serves a purpose. हर exam की strategies अलग हैं. So knowing the difference is actually crucial. तो start करते हैं deadline से. CAT के registrations already start हो गए हैं August 1 से till September 13th. NMAT के registrations again August 1 से October 10 तक. SNAP from August end till November end. ZAT from August 10 till December. CMAT Jan और February के बीच में expected है. And GMAT you can give it any time. It has rolling dates. And always register early क्योंकि slots full हो जाते हैं and then we forget sometimes. So planning is equals to peace of mind. Now let's talk about money. So on the screen you can see the fee structure for these exams, like the registration fee. इसके अलावा college application fees होती है जो कि 2000 per college होती है और total budgeting will be between 10,000 to 50,000 depending on the college that you choose. So budget smartly. Apart from this, not all exams are same. So if we talk about CAT and ZAT, these are intelligence-based exams. तो आपको problem solving, decision making पे बहुत ध्यान देना होगा. Whereas SNAP, NMAT, CMAT ये preparation-based exams हैं. So you'll have to rote learn and then you'll also see pattern familiarity. अगर आपका logical reasoning strong है, then go for CAT and ZAT. अगर आपको patterns अच्छे से याद हो जाते हैं, then go for NMAT, SNAP and these can be actually scoring for you. तो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग और पैटर्न्स तो एक बात हुई, बट एक्चुअली में हमें कौन से एग्जाम्स देने चाहिए. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कैट, सो यू मस्ट अटेंड कैट बिकॉज इट इज most widely accepted. If you talk about NMAT, then it is a great backup, especially if you are eyeing to go to NMIMS, right? If you want to go, let's say, if you give SNAP, so if you are targeting Symbiosis, then obviously ZAT, XLRI. GMAT, it is a high investment but opens doors to international B schools. So you can also select ISB through that. So choose based on your goals, your strengths, your college preferences. So some of these exams have multiple attempts and flexibilities. For example, in NMAT, you can actually choose your best score. SNAP में it will consider your best 3 scores. Also, NMAT and SNAP give you up to 3 attempts. NMAT actually lets you choose your best score and SNAP considers the best 3. How flexible, right? So plan these exams wisely, the date of the exam wisely, and do not let them clash with ZAT and CAT. Also, try giving NMAT as early as possible to build confidence. But before that, join a trusted mock series. For example, you can join it with iQuanta. It's the best. And so basically, एक mock जो होता है वो आपको आपके weak areas के बारे में बताता है. So you know that it is crucial, right? And you'll have to practice regularly, especially for exams like NMAT and SNAP, जो कि एक particular pattern को follow करते हैं, एक fixed pattern को follow करते हैं. It will actually help you. And the last 1 month, you'll have to dedicate for constant revision plus mocks because that is equal to success. Looking at the syllabus of these exams, so there's a good news कि 80% syllabus overlap करता है between CAT, NMAT, SNAP, ZAT because it has same QA, LRDI and verbal sections. बस exam style अलग होता है. अब अलग कैसे होता है? So CMAT basically has innovation and entrepreneurship, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा अलग से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. For example, exam कंडक्टिंग बॉडीज जो होती हैं उनका विजन भी अलग होता है, राइट? सो कैट इज कंडक्टेड बाय IIMs. सो इतना फोकस होता है डिसीजन मेकिंग पे, टाइम प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के स्ट्रेस में आप होते हो. So questions are often, unpredictable. They are lengthy, they are tricky. So there is obviously a style difference, right? So NMAT की अगर हम बात करें, so it is designed by GMAC. So they actually believe in testing consistency with equal weightage and multiple attempts. इसलिए questions जो होते हैं they are moderate और speed based होते हैं basically. If we talk about SNAP is conducted by Symbiosis and they aim for speed plus accuracy. So they actually give shorter time, straightforward questions and test your quick thinking. XAT is conducted by XLRI. So it's one of the toughest because they, actually value ethics, logics and decision making, which is why they even have a decision making section, which is not found in other exams. CMAT by NTA, they actually focus more on coverage than depth, and so they include innovation, entrepreneurship, general awareness, and they keep the paper moderate level. So that's a good thing about it. So now if we talk about time per question and the pressure game, so CAT gives you 66 questions and time you get 120 minutes, and which means 1.8 minutes per question approximately. NMAT gives you 108 questions, 120 minutes, 1.1 minutes for each. SNAP gives you 60 questions, 60 minutes, 1 minute, obviously, for each question. XAT gives 100 plus questions, 165 minutes, and the time for each question actually varies because it includes decision making, so we can't decide actually. CMAT, 100 questions, 180 minutes, 1.8 minutes per question. So it's like that. I'm not actually calculating it, okay? So I have the data here. Anyway, so SNAP or NMAT में speed or time management is very crucial. CAT and XAT में conceptual clarity और decision making जो है वो टेस्ट होती है, ठीक है? तो क्वेश्चन पैटर्न्स, मार्किंग स्कीम, ये सब जो होती है कैट में, if we talk about it, so it has no fixed patterns. It includes theta, type in the answers. Questions, they have negative markings only in MCQ, so they do not have any negative marking for theta questions. For example, parajumble theta questions or QA theta questions. So they do not have any minus marking for that. NMAT has no negative marking, so it's safe to take risks. And SNAP +1 for correct, 0.25 for wrong answers, so encourage smart attempts. XAT has a section, time limit, and decision making section, so it's already unique, right? CMAT has a fixed structure. It includes GK and entrepreneurship questions. So yeah, you'll have to see accordingly. So now that's why same syllabus, but not same exam strategy, right? So now if we talk about failure and everything, so failure is not the end, it's a reroute, right? So बहुत लोग पहले CAT में fail होते हैं, then they actually give XAT and crack it, right? So आपका mindset, dedication और consistency बहुत ज़्यादा matter करते हैं. So keep going. MBA is not just a degree. Trust me, it's a transformation, and it actually is a transformation. So let's experience the good in this exam. Let's be good managers and talk about more. So if we talk about the value of MBA beyond salary, so you actually do not do MBA just for money. Obviously, money is the most important aspect of it, but MBA also gives you exposure, it gives you peer learning, it gives you networking, it gives you discipline, it gives you confidence to lead. So basically आप डेडलाइंस को मीट करना सीख जाते हो, आप टीम में काम करते हो, ठीक है. So final tips and wrap up, if we call it. So my friends, MBA entrance का game clarity और consistency का है. You'll have to register on time, you'll have to choose the right exams, you'll have to budget smartly, you'll have to take mocks, you'll have to learn from every mistake. And most importantly, don't give up, because that's the only thing. Not just for the exams, just don't give up. If there's something you want to do and you're not able to do, and you're trying and it's not happening, it's because maybe there's something which is being missed out. It's not because you cannot do it, right? If you want to do it, then you can actually do it, right? Or you'll actually find a good way for yourself. So that's not a problem. So MBA basically is a gateway, not just to a job, but to a better version of you. Now I'll see you in the next video. If you like the details breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, comment below if you have any questions, any doubts, anything. All the best, future leaders, and let's crack it.